Welcome to another video. I think the first video this year I've made that can actually be called a video. I got a mechanical keyboard a year ago for Christmas, and as all the keyboard enthusiasts do, they buy custom keycaps. Now, I looked at keycaps online and they are very expensive. So I was like, why not just make one? Now, I don't know how I even got the idea to do this, but I settled on the cat of Megumin, also known as chomusuke. I found a model online that I had to kind of change because it did look pretty weird. So I changed it a bit, printed that thing, and now I have a cat. As for the cap itself, I made a pillow that the cat sits on. Now, while designing the cat and the pillow, I made sure to make a hole that goes through the entire cat and the pillow, so that eventually, when I put the entire keycap together and onto the keyboard, the little cross on its forehead will glow in the color of the keyboard. Then I sanded the entire cat and got rid of some small imperfections, taped everything up and filled it with transparent resin. Fast forward a few weeks or months, I don't know, I've lost track. The cat spontaneously combusted and the keycap does not fit on the keyboard anymore. For guideline reasons, I have decided not to show how the cat looks. So I threw everything into the trash and printed a new cat and a new pillow, but this time I mixed about 50% of a very flexible resin into my water washable resin, and the keycap fit. But this time I decided not to fill the cat entirely with transparent resin, but only at the top where the cross is, and leave the rest of the cat hollow. I also did not fill the hole in the pillow. Anyways, I then painted the pillow with some Tamiya spray paint and some other random RC car paint. After painting it, when I was curing something with my UV light, I then noticed that the red paint seems to react with UV light and just glow for some reason. I do not know why, but it's pretty cool. Then I hand painted the entirety of chomusuke, and she, I don't know, the cat looks pretty cool. And then it was time to cover everything in a coat of clear coat. Yes. So I opened my drawer of random paints, some of them dating back to before the year 2000, and there is a relatively wide selection of clear coats. So we played some clear coat roulette. That is silicone spray. So we played some clear coat roulette and landed on this clear coat. So I got everything together and went outside to spray. The nozzle of the spray can was clogged. I took another one and went out to spray again. And this time the spray can worked, surprisingly. And I then covered both the pillow and the cat in a layer or two of clear coat. Then it was back inside because it was cold as hell outside, and then I glued them together. And now I guess it's time for the final product. And also, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, because, as we all know, I'm not going to make another video this year. So I guess that's it. My idea with the glowing cross didn't quite work out as well as I hoped it would, but I guess we can improve on that. And I guess I'll see you all in the next video, next year, and until then, goodbye.